In this video, we're going to learn how to use Wooclap in Microsoft Teams. This integration will allow you to easily use Wooclap events in Microsoft Teams while offering a fluid and simplified experience to your participants. Together we will see, first, how to add your Wooclap event to a Teams meeting, and second, how to add your Wooclap event to a team in Microsoft Teams. Now let's get started. Let's start by seeing how to add your Wooclap event to a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Start by clicking on Calendar in the left menu bar. Create a meeting at the desired time and date. Add at least one other participant to this event, and then save the event by sending the invitation. To add your Wooclap event, you must then reopen your meeting and press on the Edit button. Now click on the plus button in the top right corner to add a tab. You can now type Wooclap into the search bar and choose the Wooclap blue logo and press on the Add button. At this stage, you can now choose to create a Wooclap event or to import an existing one. I am importing a class I have previously created called Geography. I am now going to import this event, and there you have it. You can now find your Wooclap event in a tab in your Microsoft Teams meeting. In your Microsoft Teams meeting, follow the following steps. Go to your Teams meeting by clicking on Join in the top right corner. Once you have chosen your settings, you can press on Join Now. Once your meeting has started, in order for your participants to see the event you linked to the meeting, you can proceed to share your screen by clicking on the Share Content button in the top right. Then select the option to share the window where you have your Wooclap event. Now your event is being shared and you can start presenting. Participants can now see your shared screen with your Wooclap event. By clicking on the W in the top right corner, they will see a participation banner appear. They will now be able to participate via this banner and see the results that will be shown live on the shared screen. This will allow participants to remain focused on one interface, thus enhancing fluidity and participation. Now let's see how to add your Wooclap event into one of your teams. Go to the menu bar on the left and click on Teams. Pick the team into which you wish to add your Wooclap event. Pick the channel in which you wish to add your Wooclap event. In the event no channel has been created, please use the General channel. To add your Wooclap event, click on the plus button on the top right to add a tab. Search Wooclap and select the blue logo. You can now choose to either create a new event or select an existing one. Again, I am choosing to import an existing event I have named Geography. Now click on Save. You can now find your Wooclap event in a tab in your team, and you can present your event and your interactive questions.